Today let us solve problem number 6 in your question bank on isometric projection. Here is a combination of frustum of square pyramid placed on a square slab. First of all, draw one reference line. The slab size is 60, so draw a slab of 60 mm and height 20 mm. Now we are drawn the base of the slab, which is 60 mm. Let us add a height of 20 mm to all the four corners. Let us raise the height by 20 mm to all the four corners of the slab. Join these points. Now slab is ready. Let us trim off the hidden edges. Next step is to draw the frustum of square pyramid. Let us identify the center point of the slab. Highlight the select the points and let us go for scaling. Scale option is there just beside of move option. Let us reduce the scale by
40 by 60.
40 by 60 because base of the square pyramid is 40 mm. So let us reduce it to 40 by 60. And trim the unwanted portion. Select the reduced size, which is 40 by 40. Move to the center point of the slab. Now the height is
60
mm. Let us raise the height by 60 mm. Draw a line, vertical line for a length of 60 and angle 90. Now locate this upper portion of the square pyramid, which is 20 by 20. Join the respective corners. Select the visible portion of the square pyramid to make it dark. Remaining can be written as thin lines. Only visible portion should be made as thick. Invisible portions can be erased off or trimmed off. The portion of the first base solid which comes within the boundary of the second solid is considered as hidden. Let us remove those hidden portion. Visible portion of the slab, let us make it dark by selecting a thickness of 0.5. Now the combination of frustum of square pyramid on a slab is ready. Let us show the 30-degree inclination, because for isometric projection it is compulsory to show the inclination. Let us represent the axis with the axis line. Scale reduction, sir. Select the entire solid and go to scale factor. Give the scale factor as 0.8164. It will just by giving the scale factor you can reduce it to the required scale. This completes the isometric projection of a frustum of square pyramid on a slab.